Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have big bundle for you. Here is 3 plus GB data, and this data is Feather Graphics Templates or Feathers Graphic Toolkit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here is 2 is just for preview. You can edit everywhere, or t-shirt, mockup, or below. Amazing. And you can download. I will show you how to download these files. Here is 150 high resolution photos. Amazing. And here is 95 high resolution feathers. So next is PSD. Here is just some PSD. 1 2 3 4. So here is 4 templates, but don't worry, I will show you how to download with different tool, PNG and background photos. So, and main data is here. Double click. Here is 150 photos, and next is 95 transparent PNG files. Just copy and press Ctrl C, open browser, press Ctrl V, and here is 1.1 GB files. So download, you see here, and your file is downloading start. Okay, I close this, and this file have 150 photos or backgrounds. Here is transparent, Control C and backspace, Control V, enter, loading, and here is 165 GB or 166 GB. Start downloading. You see, you can use everywhere. Okay, so I close this, close it, and our data is here. Drag to Photoshop. You see here toolkit, and amazing. Here is effect, front image, and background image. Here is background. You can change background, depend your own choice. I think this color is okay, and here is design, light shadow, and background images. So you can replace here your image, and double click to edit your text. Double click here. First we need a font design. Oh, we need this font, but don't worry, you can download from web. These fonts are free. Sheri SK, just Sheri. We need bold font, any bold font like impact. I think this color is better. This font is okay. Control S for saving. Wow, you see, Sheri is behind feather, and here is toolkit. Double click and show on toolkit. Just Sheri graphics. Control S, and you see there. Oh, toolkit, and delete it. So depend your own choice. You can adjust one by one or make your own designs. Okay, now, and next is this feather toolkit .2. Very easy. Here is your effect, gold, wow, amber, expose fun, color look. Wow, black line. Depend your own choice are amazing. Gradient style, color style, shape image. Okay, you can adjust one by one. I know you can do better. First you need these type of PNG, and you can download here from this link. And last here is feather toolkit portrait. Wow, you can change color. For example, press U and you see your own choice. Okay, and you can write your text one by one, for example this. And our last photo is here, sorry, template here in scare. Wow, I think peacock fears, no, any other bird. So simply you can change color or everything like your own choice. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.